Sound is something we hear every single day. But have you ever wondered, what is sound, really?
The professor said sound is a wave. But how can sound become a graph? And what does Fourier series have to do with it?
Sound is a vibration traveling through air as waves. What sounds like one voice is actually a combination of many waves. Each wave has its own frequency, and Fourier series is the tool that helps us break them apart one by one. Fourier series is a way of breaking down periodic functions into a sum of sines and cosines. Here's the general formula of a Fourier series. So, it's like building sound from multiple tiny frequencies. This is what a voice looks like in the time domain, messy and unclear. But using Fourier transform, we can break it into individual frequencies.
That's my voice. I'm Thanchanok Komonnak. Hi! Hi! What is your name?
My name is Thanyarat Sriphomma.
My name is Thanchanok.
Wow, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye.
Fourier series is used everywhere. Asterisk audio compression like MP3. Asterisk voice recognition systems. Asterisk signal analysis in electrical engineering.
Do you know? Fourier series lets us see what we normally hear through the eyes of mathematics.
Really? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I know.
Fourier series isn't just a formula in textbooks. It's the foundation behind the technologies we use every day. From the music we hear to the smart systems that understand us. From the classroom to the real world. Fourier series powers every signal, every sound, every innovation. From ordinary sounds to a world of hidden frequencies. Fourier series reveals a new way to see and understand sound, through math.